In this clip, we see a man and a woman, probably a couple, or maybe not. The man walks up to the door, rings the bell, and just stands there. It kind of feels like he's waiting for someone to open the door so he can do something weird or maybe even a crime. Can't say much, just watch this.
Who is it? Who is that? What the hell?
As the homeowner responds, this guy starts making strange and creepy noises. Even if this was supposed to be some prank, man, it's still too creepy, especially at night. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a full clip, but tell me what you think about this in the comments. This next footage was captured back in 2019 from an indoor security camera in Troy, Michigan. As per the info, an unknown man somehow entered the house and walked upstairs, straight to the owner's bedroom. Sadly, there's no footage of that part, but there was a woman sleeping there, and she suddenly woke up to find that man standing inside. He didn't harm her and immediately left the place. But here's the scary part. He wasn't just done there. A month or two later, in October, he was seen again. This time peeking through the window of another house, probably looking for a way to sneak in. Even after being seen multiple times, he still managed to avoid the police for a while. Finally, he was caught in Bloomfield Township, and it was found that his name was Donovan Johnson, 27 years old. He was jailed, but released on bond later. What do you think about this? Someone sneaking into houses, staring at windows, walking into bedrooms. It's just insane. Drop your thoughts in the comments. This next clip was recorded at night, and honestly, I've got no clue who this guy is. We can see him walking around, searching for something near the house. But then, the dog starts barking, and just like that, the guy leaves. No idea what he was looking for or what his intentions were. Could be harmless or maybe not. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This next clip was recorded at night. Just imagine you fell asleep on the couch, woke up in the morning, checked your phone, and saw this recorded outside your house. Watch this.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Now this guy, he definitely isn't asking for food or spare change. And he sure doesn't look like someone spreading good vibes at midnight. Luckily, the door was locked and the homeowner was safe. But still, that face at the doorbell cam, not something you want to wake up to. What do you think his intentions were? Drop it in the comments. In this next video, we can see a woman standing outside. At first, it looks like she's talking to someone. But if you watch for a few more seconds, You'll realize she's actually talking to herself. Watch this.
Not interested in him. I am telling you, I am sick and tired of listening to these parents. I am sick and tired of these people coming outside. How you doing? Did you say something to me?
Can I help you?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
Did y'all say something?
No.
Okay.
Please don't knock on the door.
She might be going through something really bad. It could be depression, or maybe even a mental condition like schizophrenia, where some people see or hear things that aren't real and feel like they're part of an imagination. It's honestly sad to watch. Mental health is serious, and videos like these remind us of it. Let me know in the comments. What do you think she was going through? Okay, that's enough creepy stuff for today. If you watched till here, help me reach 1K subs. It would definitely make my day and night. Thanks a lot.